Why do the most traders buy at the top and sell at the bottom? It's not bad luck, it's not bad position. They don't understand one simple concept is premium and discount zones. If you master this, you stop chasing price and start trading like an institution. Let's break it down professionally. Premium and discount zones are not indicators, they are valuation principles. The market moves between expensive and cheap levels just like any business. If price is trading high within a range, it's in a premium zone. If price trading low within a range, it's in a discount zone. Institution buy cheap, institution sells expensive. Retail traders usually do that opposite. Now I am telling you the three most important ingredients that you have must need to understand before enter any trade. First, identify a clear swing high and clear swing low that becomes your dealing range. Now draw a 50% level, the equilibrium. Everything above the 50% level is equal to premium zone. Everything below the 50% level is equal to discount zone. That midpoint is where price is fairly valued. Above it expensive, below it cheap, simple but powerful. And second is, if the market is bullish making higher highs and higher lows, you should not buy randomly. You wait for price to retrace into a discount zone. Why? Because you are buying at the better price inside a bullish structure. Buying in premium during a bullish move is emotionally trading. Buying is discount. Buying in discount during a bullish move is professional trading. Now flip it. If the market is bearish, you want to price to retrace into a premium so you can sell a high within a downtrend structure. That's how you align with smart money. And number three and last one is here where many traders misunderstand. Premium and discount zones are not entry signals, they are location tools. Inside discount, you still need confirmation, liquidity sweep, market structure shift, order block, fair value gap. The zone tells you where to trade, confirmation tells you when to trade. Location plus confirmation is equal to high probability execution. Think like a bank. Do banks buy after price has already moved 80% up? No, they accumulate when price retraces into a discount. Do they sell at the lowest point? No, they distribute in premium. Retail traders chase breakouts, professional trade retracement inside value. That's a different. Before entering any trade, ask yourself, I am buying cheap or expensive, I am selling high or selling low. Where is price inside the current range? If you don't know the answer, you are gambling, not trading. Premium and discount zones gives you context, and in trading, context is everything. If this explanation changed how you see the market, make sure you like this video, subscribe to this channel and press the button bell icon so you don't miss the next advanced trading breakdown, because here we don't trade emotion, we trade structure. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.